Good day everyone! So today, this is our session 3. So ang gagawin lang natin dito ading is babasahin mo lang ulit ito and then may mga questions akong inihanda para sagutin mo at nanggaling lang din yon sa ating binasang kwento. So babasahin mo lang ulit and then tignan natin kung may mga words kang nababasa na ngayon and nag-improve na. Tignan natin kung nag-improve na yung mga words na dati ay hindi mo mabasa. So, pwede mo lang simulan.
The Tale of the Three Brothers. There were once three brothers who were traveling lonely, wandering out at twilight in time. The brothers reached a river too deep to wade through and too dangerous to swim across. However, these brothers were learned in the magical arts, and so they simply waved their wands and made a bridge appear across the treacherous water. They were halfway across it. They found their path blocked by a hooded figure, and it was Death. He was angry that he had been cheated out of three new victims from travelers, usually drowned in the river, but Death was cunning. He pretended to congratulate the three brothers upon their magic and said that each had earned a prize for being clever enough to evade him. So the oldest brother, who was a combative man, asked for a wand more powerful than any in existence, a wand that must always win battles for its owner, a wand worthy of a wizard who had conquered death. So Death had to cross to an elder tree on the banks of the river, fashioned a wand from a branch that had hung tree, and gave it to the oldest brother. Then the second brother, who was an arrogant man, decided that he wanted to accumulate death and still further, and asked for the power to recall others from them. So Death picked up a stone from the river bank and gave it to the second brother and told him that the stone would have the power to bring back to the dead. Finally, Death turned to the third brother, a humble man. He asked for something that would enable him to go forth from the place without being followed by them. And so it was that Death reluctantly handed over his own cloak of invisibility. In due course, the brothers separated, each for his own destination. The first brother traveled traveled for a week or more, and reaching a distant village, sought out a fellow wizard with whom he had a quarrel. Naturally, with the elder wand as his weapon, he could not fail to win the duel that followed, leaving his enemy dead upon the floor. The eldest brother proceeded to an inn where he boasted of the powerful wand which he had snatched snatch from death himself of how it made him invisible. That very night, another wizard crept upon the oldest brother as he lay
One
sudden, one sudden upon his bed. They thief took the wand and for good measure slit the oldest brother throat, and so death took the first brother for his own. Meanwhile, the second brother journeyed to his own home, where he lived alone. Here he
Here.
took here he took out the stone which had the power to recall the dead, and turned in the chalice in his hand. To his amazement and delight, the figure of the girl he had once hoped to marry before her untimely death appeared at once before him, yet she was sad and cold, separated from him as half tough by a veil. Tough she had returned to the mortal world she did not truly belong there, and suffered finally the second brother driven mad by hopeless longing, killed himself so as to truly join her, and so death took the second brother for his own. But to death,
But though death
but though death searched search for the third brother for many years, he was never able to find him. It was only when he had attained a great age that the youngest brother finally took off the cloak of invisibility and gave it to his son, and then he greeted death as an old friend, went with him gladly, and as equals they departed this life.
Okay, so napansin kong kakaunti lang yung mga words na hindi mo pa masyadong mabigkas. And ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin is yung questions. May mga inihanda akong questions dito, and then tignan natin kung may naintindihan ka sa ating binasang story. So, hindi. Ito yung paper mo na pagsusulatan ng sagot. So, name your paper and then your grade and number 1 to 5. Okay, so baka next time may mga questions din na susunod. So, ngayon kasi inihanda ka lang namin to kasi ang sabi nila is babasahin din questions. And need nyong sagutan. So, baka next time sa first session natin is madadagdagan yung mga questions na inihanda namin. So, mag-ready na lang for the next session. So, mag-start na tayo. Number 1, who were traveling along the lonely road? Who were traveling along the lonely road? So, sa Tagalog, sino ang naglalakbay sa madilim na daan? And so, number 2, What did the brothers create to cross the dangerous river? What did the brothers create to cross the dangerous river? So, sa Tagalog naman, ang ibig sabihin nito is ano ang ginawa ng magkakapatid para makatawid sa ilog. So, dito natin masusukat kung may naintindihan ka sa binasa mong story. Okay. Number 3, why was Death angry with the brothers? Bakit nagalit si Death sa magkakapatid? Why was Death angry with the brothers? Ano yung ginawa ng mga brothers para magalit si Death sa story? Okay na? Okay. Number 4, from what tree did Death make the elder one? Sa anong puno kinuha ni Death ang sangay para sa elder one? So, ano nga ba? Sa anong puno? Okay. The last number, what object did Death give the third brother? Ano ang binigay ni Death sa ikatlong kapatid? Yun yung sa last kanina. Sa gitna ng story yata yun. What object did Death give the third brother? Ano yung binigay niya sa tatlong or sa ikatlong magkakapatid? Kasi ang pamagat ng ating story is the three brothers. The three brothers. The tale of the three brothers. So, yung sinagutan mo ngayon is ako na lang bahalang mag-check. Ako na lang bahala mag-check para titignan ko kung may naintindihan mo ba talaga yung binasa mong story. Na The Tale of the Three Brothers. So, maghanda na lang tayo ading sa next na session natin, and sana may natutunan ka ulit ngayon, and sana next time is hindi naman sa ma-perfect yung pagbabasa, kundi may mag-improve pa sa mga hindi ka aware na mga words. So, thank you ading sa today, and be ready na lang sa ating next session. Thank you ading.